This is a little closer. You guys that love the sailboats, this is quite an operation here. You get that rub rail in the water, you're moving. Very clean, sweet lines on this baby.
Oh, super. Yeah, you know how to sell the boat now.
We hope.
So, what do you got for the old Iowa 50s? You got you, George Warren, well. She's sailing, is it?
Yeah, there's another one over there. There should be more boats. I haven't seen it this slow. Could be because of COVID.
Yeah, I forgot about her.
Smile, guys. YouTube. Port Huron Mackinac race. You out of Bayview?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. These guys make it happen. For what, 85 years now? Doing this race?
What, 85?
I think so, yeah.
No, this is the 98th race.
Oh, boy.
I'm not quite that 97 or 98.
This is the 98th.
I missed two of them.
The same thing. This will be first.
Right.
So the following year, which is the 100th, then it would be second.
Go ahead, it's all right.
So they can get more.
Yeah, I thank you for your concern. We're doing good. YouTube channel, Port Huron
I
Mackinac.
just heard that today, actually, that we're doing Port Huron first.
And we kept this race going during the Second World War. They still wanted to sail.
Yeah.
And they did it. Okay, YouTubers, we're moving on. Have a good day, guys, and good racing.